What? Let's see what's up with that. Hey, you shouldn't be driving like that. You could have killed somebody.
Pardon me?
You shouldn't have been driving like that. You could have killed somebody. You were going way too fast in this parking lot.
You know what, baby? I had to piss so bad.
That's crazy. You could have killed somebody. You need to fix yourself.
Pardon me, love.
Dumbass!
That's like what happened to me when I got rear-ended.
I'm a little bit different, they get it. I'm stiff on the dick, trying to find out why baby ain't all in the mix. She ain't get no DM from me. This rich dick, it ain't free. She be throwing that at you, she good at it. Turn around
And working.
She like, I need to with some Bobby. Let's go.
Whoa! Oh my God!
Current loop video is now locked.
The hard part is doing it in traffic when there are people in our blind spot, and when do we go and when do we wait and all that stuff. Oh, hello. Whoa, yeah. Ooh.
Don't completely stop you. I don't know how you did that yet. That person beat you. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my God. Okay, stop, stop, stop. 0. Stop, stop.
Mom, can I come? Wait. Cause what the f?
What the hell? What the hell did I just see, bro?
What are you doing?
Operations Manager Tyler Lansbrook. Over the last 6 years, Tyler has worked his way up through the company, and like me,
What are you doing?
exactly what it takes to help families feel happy and secure in their new home.
Thanks, John. I've learned that today's home buyers want more than a house. They want quality they can see, a builder who listens.
What the f?
Video protected.
thing. The ceasefire did not impact. Well, first of all, I know there's been some conversations between the Israelis and the leadership of our country today. I haven't been involved in that because I've been busy doing stuff in Hungary. I've actually...
Video protected.
Let me say a couple things. First of all, I actually think, and there's a lot of bad faith negotiation and a lot of bad faith, propaganda going on. I think this comes from a legitimate misunderstanding. I think the Iranians thought that the ceasefire included Lebanon, and it just didn't. Promise. We never indicated that was going to be the case. What we said is that the ceasefire would be focused on.
Manual recording will now start.
Putain de merde quoi. Pourtant j'ai klaxonné pour ça, hein. J'ai klaxonné exprès hein. Je te l'ai dit, là elle m'a entendu au moins.
Okay, Gorman.
Cyanide, cyanide. Cyanide is the place for acid.
Respond to a request for comment has expanded rapidly in the area since selecting Boca Chica as a launch site in 2014. I'm Corey Cook in San Antonio.
The premier international soccer tournament has arrived, and the FIFA World Cup is bigger than ever. This is NPR News. On a Thursday Junior, what we call Friday, no, almost Friday. On a Friday Junior, we call Thursdays. You're listening to more.
Сука, что ты делаешь, блядь, придурок на!
慢㗎，Ben Sir。抵撥啦，轉左右唔係轉右又唔係行中間，我都撥你啊，唔使我撥啊，人哋幫你撥啊。
DBJ 3684.
(911) What's the location of the emergency?